Hey guys, Clay here. We've got Havoc's HN2 Step for your 2021 Bronco in our shop, and I'm going to show you how to install it. So we're on the driver's side right behind the front tire. We're going to install this front bracket. Now there's one bracket like this for each side in the front, and then there's going to be two brackets that are the same that go in the middle and then towards the back. And we're just going to install this with the provided hardware. So now I'm going to snug this hardware up. We are going to leave it a little loose until we get them all installed, and then we'll go back and tighten everything up at once. Now we'll move to the middle bracket. So we're in that middle location. We're going to install this bolt first up on the top of the rocker. And then again, I'm going to snug this hardware up, but we're going to still leave it loose. And then we're going to repeat the same process on the rear bracket. So now we're back in the middle bracket, and you can see there's square holes cut on the tab on the tube side. That's meant to house the carriage bolt, and that's just going to keep the carriage bolt from spinning, so you only need one hand and one tool to tighten everything up. So that needs to go in front of the truck side bracket. So we're just going to lift that into place. As soon as you get one in, go ahead and put the flange nut on. Don't tighten it, we just want to secure it so the things don't fall apart. And we can put our other carriage bolt in on the top. And then we're going to repeat this process on the front and the rear bracket. So now that we have all of our hardware snug, not tight, but just snug, we can go ahead and tighten up all of the brackets to the body. So now we're on the rear bracket, we're going to tighten it to the body, and then we'll move to the front. Now that we've got all of our brackets tightened on the body side, we're just going to start by tightening our brackets from the tube to that bracket. And then we'll move to the middle bracket, and then we'll tighten up that rear bracket. Now make sure to repeat that entire process on the other side, and that completes our installation. If you guys have any questions at all, make sure to give us a call or visit us online. Thanks.